Ever wondered what happens when a bee gets drunk? It's not just a wild story, it's a bizarre reality that happens right in your backyard. Stick around because we're about to dive into the crazy world of drunken bees and their heroic guard bees who keep the hive safe. You won't believe what happens next. Before starting, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe for more amazing facts. Get ready to discover the surprising secrets of the bee world, starting now. Now, you might think bees are all about buzzing and collecting nectar, but they have a highly organized system that works flawlessly. Let's dive deeper into their fascinating behavior. As worker bees return to the hive, they are greeted by guard bees who check them for any potential threats. These guards allow nectar-carrying bees and pollen gatherers to enter, but they're quick to block any intruders like wasps or other bees from different colonies. When an intruder is detected, the guard bees release an alarm by emitting pheromones, special chemical signals that warn the whole colony of danger. These alarm pheromones are like a bee's emergency alert system. As soon as one bee smells the signal, the whole hive responds and the colony goes into defense mode. But what happens when bees are not on high alert but instead a little too relaxed? You guessed it, they get drunk. In the summer heat, nectar can ferment and fruits can rot, producing ethanol or alcohol. Bees feed on this fermented nectar and, well, they act like they've had one too many drinks. This happens with tree sap too. The liquid inside tree trunks ferments, making a bee-sized bar for intoxicated bees. So what does alcohol do to a bee? It's very similar to its effect on humans. Bees struggle to fly properly, they may even fall mid-flight, and they walk unevenly. In fact, if a bee gets too drunk, the guard bees will kick it out of the hive to protect the colony. Don't worry though, a bee can recover quickly if the alcohol is in small amounts. But if the bee consumes too much, it could be fatal, as their bodies aren't equipped to handle alcohol. Now let's talk about one of the most incredible behaviors of bees, the waggle dance. When a bee discovers a food source, it returns to the hive and performs this complex movement to share the location with others. The bee shakes its body in a figure-8 pattern. Here's the magic. The straight part of the dance points to the direction of the food source relative to the sun, and the duration of the dance shows how far the food is. Other bees watch and decode this dance, allowing them to fly straight to the food source. Now that you know the fascinating and sometimes funny side of bee behavior, here's a question for you. What do you think is the most surprising thing about bees? Are they just tiny insects or something much more incredible? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you learned something new today. See you in the next adventure.